Okay, this is the touch screen. The main screen is operator walks up, he'll press and log in.
You want me to show logging in?
Well, no, that's good. You already had logged in, right?
Right.
Okay. Then process control brings up your, well, you'll have to help narrate because I don't know exactly what all this does.
Okay, well, we have a machine ready light and a fault light. If your system's faulted and when you first turn it on, it will be, that light will be blinking. You have a reset fault over here, but unless the e-stop button over by the panel is pressed, then it will not reset the fault. But if the e-stop is not pulled in, you'll see a wordage on the bottom.
Error message.
When the machine is started, a running light will come on. The in cycle comes on while the machine is in cycle when you press the push buttons on the side of the touch screen. When manual mode is selected, manual mode blinks. When auto mode is selected, auto mode stays steady. You can turn your tap cycle on and off here. If you just wanted to flow drill a hole, you would turn tap off, but we're going to tap a hole, so we'll have it on. If your machine is somewhere crazy and out of the home position, you have the machine started, and then you tell it to send home, and that will send it home. Stop, of course, is stop, and start. Starts the machine and gets it ready for you to, your operator to press the buttons and get the machine going.
Okay, now the next screen that you go to, the maintenance screen.
You have to have a user that is allowed to use the maintenance screen. And this will just let a maintenance man jog a cylinder up or down or jog the motor. For the tap, for the flow drill spindle, you can see the RPMs and jog it. For the flow drill slide, you can jog it up or down. And for the tool carriage, you can jog it left and right as well. Our next screen is the engineering screen, where if you have even higher level privileges, this is where you come in here and you set the RPMs, the depth of your tap, how fast you want to ramp up and down. Your flow drill spindle will be the RPMs and the ramp for it. And then in the flow drill slide, you have your approach position and the feed rate of it.
We usually set that approach position 1/8 inch above the part. So you'll bring your head down, manually bring your head down and read off your value if you've got a new fixture and a new part, and you'll set that value then into this position. That'll be the approach.
And then you have the A position and its feed rate, B position and its feed rate, C position and its feed rate. And when you, if the machine for some reason you had to change a battery out and the encoder lost power, it would lose its home position. You would have to re-bring the head up to where the home position should be, and you'll hit this button to set the home position at 0.
Administrator.
And then under administrator, you have to have a high enough level privilege to come in here. This is where you manage your different accounts, set privileges for different accounts, switch users if you need to. Of course, you can still just do that at the log out screen. You can see an operator log, who has logged in, when they logged in, what they pressed, and what they've done. And then here's your system settings.
I don't think they'll be messing with any of this, but anyway, it's good to know that it's there. So. Okay, so we about ready to run apart?
We're ready to run apart.
Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the recording off now because some of these become very large and they won't transfer into the YouTube's website.